Software. In this video, we will understand how to create the collection demand sheet print in Jainam Software. So, the first of all, we will go to Master Setup, Print Template, then select category as group and create any name. Let's say I'm creating CDS report. I click save. This is for one-time activity because this is the master level setup. So in CDS report, then we have to select the print template. I'm selecting group collection demand sheet and then I click copy template and click yes. Once this is done, then next step is basically that refresh this page and go to CDS report and you can make certain changes like company name change. For example, you can change the company name and other things actually. I'm not making this change right now, but you can do it later. Then next step is then in master setup, customer group. In group, you will see the list of all the groups. You search the groups like if the meeting is today, so you can search Tuesday because at group level you can set the meeting day and meeting place. So here we can see that this specific group has two customers mapped and meeting on Tuesday at this location. I click this group and then a group search page is opened. I click here view members and then I click print format. I can see the report which I created recently. I click the report and view print. Then I get to know all the details for collection demand sheet. I come to know the group level details as well as I come to know the details required for the collection demand. And we can take the print and basically at the collection center we can sign this from the customer as well. So similarly we can also modify the details here, like if you don't want to add these details we can remove these details also. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.